2. In the access section of the sidebar, click the email icon. So we're gonna go to our GitHub account and we're gonna go to access, and here click in email. And this is my email account, so I already have it configured as my primary email. So this email will be used for account related notifications and can also be used for password resets. Okay, yeah, this is a dummy account. So 3, and add email address, type your email address and click add. So if you, for example, want to change to a new account, if you have, I don't know, 2 accounts and you want the second one to be your primary, you would type it here. You would type your email and then add it. I'm not gonna do it because this is my primary email, so that's fine for me. For verify your email address, okay, so in order to verify it, they would send you some information to your Google account, and just to verify that you're the owner of that email. 5, in the primary email address list, select the email address you'd like to associate with your web-based Get operations. So I already have it here, and is this one, pjs@gmail.com. So I'm just gonna click save. Let me see. Okay, your primary email was changed to this one. That's fine, that's what I want. And yeah, you can even read this part. Primary email address, because you have email privacy enabled, this email will be used for account related notifications as well as password resets, blah blah blah. Okay. 6, to keep your email address private when performing web-based Get operations, click keep my email addresses private. So here, if you want that, you would check this option, keep my email addresses private. Will remove your public profile email and use the stuff. You can read this one. Okay, here, setting your commit email address in Git. You can use the get config command to change the email address you associate with your Get commits. The new email address you set will be visible in any future commits you push to github.com. From the command line, any commits you made prior to changing your commit email address are still associated with your previous email address. So setting your email address for every repository on your computer. We open Git Bash. Okay, so I have a folder here. I'm gonna open it. Since here, so I have a Windows 11. I do right click, I go to show more options, and I pick the Git Bash here. So okay, I'm gonna make it a little bigger, Control plus, and okay, where is Git here? So set an email address in Git. You can use your GitHub provided no reply email address or any email address. So we're gonna configure it. We're gonna type in these commands here. So it's gonna be get config, space double hyphen. It's gonna be global space user dot email space open quotation marks, and let me see, close double quotation marks, and you put your email inside. Obviously yours is gonna be different, but it's gonna be get config double hyphen global user email and your email inside double quotes. So we press enter. It looks fine. Now confirm that you have set the email address correctly in Git. Let me see if I did it correctly. Well, I'm just typing it. Get config, where was it? Global, it's the same, global user dot email. So we press enter, and yeah, that's fine. That's my email. So okay, then here, setting your email address for a single repository. GitHub uses the email address set in your local Git configuration to associate commits push from the command line with your account on github.com. You can change the email address associated with commits you make in a single repository. This will override your global Git configuration settings in this one repository, but will not affect any other repositories. So again, we open Git Bash, change the current working directory and the local repository where you want to configure the email address that you associate with your Git commits. Number 3, set an email address in Git. You can use your GitHub provided no reply email address or any email address, so we're doing the same thing that we did before. Then again, confirm that you have set the email address correctly in Git. And 5, add the email address to your account on GitHub so that your commits are attributed to you and appear in your contributions graph. For more information, you can see the adding an email address to your GitHub account.